Gab,
Sir.
pag-usapan natin ang signature sound ng urban
Signature
dub.
sound.
Oo, dahil pansin na pansin na in every album, pakinggan mo pa lang yung kanta, hindi mo pagkakaila na urban dub yun eh. Not just kasi maraming banda dyan na alam mo sila yon dahil sa tunog ng boses o the guitar sound, pero ito lahat eh. From the arrangement, to the guitar sound, to your vocals, to the way the drums are being played. Alam mo, it's urban dub from the first few seconds of the song. So, is this a conscious effort? Kasi yung bago nyong album, it still has that quote-unquote signature sound of urban dub.
Well, for us naman kasi, like, we never really considered na we have a signature sound or ano. Basta lang, what we know from before pa how we play, kumbaga yun lang yung talagang nilalabas namin. So if it sounds like it's an original thing, then well and good. Kasi we can only play how we know how to, you know, paano ba yun? Paano sabihin, ginagawa lang namin yung alam namin gawin.
So, pero yung alam nyo gawin is very broad. Kasi hindi ko naman sasabihin na every song sounds the same eh.
Yeah.
May konting, like the first song you did. That's something I haven't heard from you guys before, yung that riffage or ano. Pero alam mo na yun eh, urban dub.
Well, maybe siguro, our style kasi we try to incorporate a lot of different genres into one song.
And what would those be for the benefit of our Fear fans?
The common denominator namin is rock, obviously.
Okay.
But we try to incorporate siguro a R&B or a reggae